Another Sunday and another roast chicken recipe. Today I'm going to make coconut roast chicken in the air fryer with some gravy, and I'm gonna serve it with coconut rice. The recipes for rice is already shared. So I've taken low fat coconut milk. You can take full fat coconut milk as well and add all the ingredients that are listed on the screen. You can use any peri peri sauce that you have. I'm using peri peri hot marinade here, 2 tablespoons of that. Add some cornstarch into it or cornflour. Add the chicken. Make sure to make some cuts in the chicken. You can marinate the chicken for 1 hour or you can marinate it overnight in the fridge. Just before air frying, add some oil, mix it and place the chicken in the air fryer. You have to reserve the remaining marinade because this is going to be used in making the gravy. Air fry the chicken. Once the chicken is air fried from one side, flip it and air fry on the other side as well. Take some oil in a pan, add some onions and green chilies and some garlic paste. Stir fry for just few seconds. Add the leftover marinade and some low fat cream in it. The gravy will start thickening up really quickly because it has cornstarch in it. So add some water and cook it properly. Then serve it with some coconut rice. The recipe for coconut rice is already shared. You can scroll down the reels or check it on my YouTube channel. Then place the chicken, pour the gravy on top and enjoy.